Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add emoji effects in Instagram edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. First, we will be needing either to create a new project by clicking on that plus button, or we can simply continue working on some kind of projects that you were already working on. In my case, I'm just going to start anything and I'm just going to stick with this white background. And from here, we can just do all the different editing for our video. And basically, now we want some effects. So if you want to add effects on your subjects, that means like the faces or the characters, you can simply go to effects panel and then you will be able to add some effects to your video or etc. So here, as you can see, we can either add this zoom, blurring, and you will find multiple type of effects here on the effects tab, like rainbow or whatever. Otherwise, you can start to have some emoji by going to stickers, and from here you will find many animated one or affected one. So if we add this one, you will find it here, and basically it will be showing. Otherwise, you can simply choose any Jiffy one, and you can add any animated stuff. So here we will find like the trending one, and you can choose from them. And here it has been added and you can add it or you can choose any something uh, that is animated. So from here you will be needing just to wait for it to load and choose it and it will be added, and it seems that there is some kind of lag, but basically that's it. So thank you for watching and see you next time.